For 2.5 million years, the Earth's climate has fluctuated, cycling from ice ages to warmer periods. But in the last century, planet's temperature has risen unusually from 1.2 degrees to 1.4 degrees Fahrenheit due to various human activities, resulting in global warming. The rise of industries has led to an immense increase in use of fossil fuels, emitting harmful gases in the environment. Activities causing release of various compounds containing chlorine, bromine and destructive molecules like CFCs is greatly resulting in depletion of ozone layer. The ozone layer sits in the stratosphere between 15 kilometers to 30 kilometers above the Earth. It acts as a shield to protect the Earth's surface by absorbing harmful UV radiation. Due to the depletion in the ozone layer, exposure to UV radiations has increased, which has caused many ill effects on the entire ecosystem. Ozone depletion and the ozone hole has generated worldwide concern over increased cancer risks and other negative effects on human health and the environment. These concerns led to adoption of the Montreal Protocol in 1987, which bans the production of CFCs, halons and other ozone-depleting chemicals.
India has played a very key role in the policy framing under the Montreal Protocol, which, as you may be aware, is one of the most successful and which has sustained itself over the last 30 years.
Among all factors, building sector has played a major role in ozone depletion and global warming, growing at the rate of 8% annually. And due to increase in the population residing within country, the energy consumption has reached up to 35%. Led by the high demand of air conditioners and refrigerators, which release gases like HCFCs and CFCs that majorly harm the ozone layer.
Apart from that, building sector also uses foam gases which are used for insulation purposes as well as for firefighting equipment that are classified as having very high global warming potential.
To prevent depletion of ozone, India became party to the Vienna Convention for the Protection of the Ozone Layer on 18 March 1991 and the Montreal Protocol on Substances that Deplete the Ozone Layer on 19 June 1992. Furthermore, in accordance with the National Strategy for ODS Phase-Out, the Ministry of Environment and Forests and Climate Change, Government of India, has notified ozone-depleting substances Regulation and Control Rules 2000 in the Gazette of India on 19 July 2000, covering various aspects like production, consumption, export and import of ODSs, and also phased out the production and consumption of CFCs, CTC and halons as of 1st January 2010.
In India particularly too, we are facing a growing challenge as we step into the future because of the Smart Cities program that has been taken up by the Government of India in a big way, as well as rapid urbanization that is taking place all around us today.
Even though Indian government is taking proactive action in phasing out of HCFCs using low GWP alternatives and implementing energy efficiency in a big way, we as responsible citizens can help reducing the ozone depletion by designing energy-efficient buildings, green buildings with natural ventilation and insulated windows. The potential of reducing energy consumption is up to 20 to 30% using energy-efficient technologies in existing commercial buildings. The least we could do is set the air conditioner's temperature at a particular temperature.
The government has entered into partnership with EESL to make our buildings and equipments more energy efficient and go towards harnessing our own internal resources in such a way that we are able to meet our obligations under the protocol.
Your small initiatives will make a big difference. So come and contribute on your part on this Ozone Day and be Prozone.